Hi. How do you breathe in an ice bath? And this is the second video about this. So protocol 2. And it comes down to only one thing, which is breathing slowly. And there are different levels on how to do that. So the first video was just slow down your breathing. This video is how you do this in a stressful situation. So when you're like, you could say in your fight or flight or sympathetic, and this is exactly the right moment to make this video for me, because I just drank too much coffee, so I'm like shaky. You know, I'm clearly, and I really sense it, too much in my sympathetic at this moment. So, you know, like we're talking about ice bath, but of course this is also about stress in your daily life. Yeah, so what we're doing today, so protocol 2 is about box breathing, but a like extended version. So let me explain it first, and then we're going to do it. We're going to breathe in as slow as we can, and then keep it there, 2 counts, 1, 2, and then breathe out. And keep it there, 1, 2. And then basically make an appointment with yourself. Every time you breathe a little bit slower. Yeah, so you extend your inhale, hold it for 2, extend your exhale. And this is how I guide people in an ice bath. And this is, you know, if somebody is like totally cool, I have nothing to do. But if you get like like that reaction, which is basically the normal reaction, how we react when we encounter stress is to either breathe high or to freeze. Not healthy. It's not going to help. So by slowing down your breathing, you get over that stress. And you could see this as a direct biohack to your body, because you are, you know, like in fight or flight. Like at this moment, I just drank too much coffee, and like I'm a bit shaky. This is just given at this moment. And by slowing down your breathing, you kind of biohack your body into your parasympathetic, the opposite of fight or flight. Yeah, so, okay. Too much theory, let's just do it. So, on a count of 3, so maybe you want to breathe out first. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe in as slow as you can. Hold, and 2, and breathe out. Hold, 1, 2, breathe in slower. Hold, 1, 2, breathe out even slower. Hold, 1, 2, breathe in slower. Hold, out. And hold. Last time, as slow as you can. Hold, and last time out. And that's it. Yeah, it's a really simple protocol, ice bath or any other stress in life. Slow down your breathing. Protocol 1. Protocol 2 today. Slow down your breathing and hold it for just 2 counts on your inhale and on your exhale. So it's like a really long box breathing. And of course, highly recommendable if you encounter stress in whatever form, it doesn't matter if it's real or not, use this to reduce your stress levels. I hope this helped. Protocol 3, the last protocol of how to breathe in an ice bath, will be up soon. And it has to do with making a little bit of sound. Alright, I hope this helped. Thank you very much. Bye.